Welcome to the Colliers Conversation Series. My name is Tyler Dolan, Managing Director of Vancouver Island and the Okanagan. With COVID impacting our lives in so many different ways, we thought we would take a moment and share with you what we're seeing here on Vancouver Island in the numerous segments in the real estate market. With me here today is Ty Whittaker, Industrial Specialist. So with everything going on, COVID related, industry related, economy related, how's industrial world faring right now?
It's very healthy. We've had a really positive last 12 months, and if you asked me this time last year where we would be, I probably wouldn't be able to answer that. So I'm pleased to say that we fared very well. We have a 1% vacancy. There's a ton of demand in the marketplace and very, very little amount of supply.
So just going back to my days in economics class, tight supply, vacancies critically low. What have you seen in terms of the rental rates and values?
Rental rates have had this rapid appreciation over the last 5 years. 5 years ago we were probably at about $12 a square foot net, and our average now is $15.57 as of Q4 2020. And it's just really a byproduct of limited amount of supply, and landlords are able to ask a bit of a premium and continue to get that. And that's also fueled a rapid appreciation in value of industrial. The strata stuff that we're going to be rolling out at Allendale District is going to be priced at $350 a square foot. Comparatively to Vancouver, that same product would probably be $550 a square foot. So we're a microcosm of Vancouver, and we're feeling exactly what all these other big cities are across Canada.
So we take a look at what we're seeing across Canada. We see the vacancy rates in industrial declining. Would some of that have to do with what we continue to hear, the acceleration of shopping online? Are you starting to see more and more people taking up space for distribution hubs?
Yeah, very much so. We've got a number of multinational groups that we're either building buildings for, or will be trying to facilitate finding a facility for them somewhere in Victoria. They all need docks. We don't have a lot of docks. So a lot of them are just trying to get into the market to service their customers, but not really being in a proper facility. So you're going to see a lot more of that demand in the next number of years, and I think we're going to have to facilitate them with built-to-suits, which we're working on right now.
So we see that with distribution logistics. I know in the past, a number of the people listening today and watching us have been to our market receptions, and we continually talked about the feds and shipbuilding. That's continued too, I would assume, or is that starting to slow down?
No, it's here to stay. It's a vital part of our economy. We just did an 80,000 square foot deal with Victoria Shipyards to facilitate their growth. The federal government has made a huge investment in the Department of National Defense, the submarine programs that are on the West Coast. There's a lot of defense contractors that are out in Victoria serving that industry, and it's vital to our economy. It's very, very strong.
This is all positive, everything I hear. We do know there's more inventory coming online, as you've alluded to. If you were a betting man and you're looking 5 years out, would you still be bullish thinking that our vacancy rates are going to remain low, or do you think we're going to run into higher vacancy and then rates softening?
Yeah, over my career, we've really only seen blips from sort of 1% to maybe 5.5%, which is a healthy market. So no, I don't see that there's going to be an overbuild. Builders will build with demand warranting it. So we'll pre-lease and pre-sell buildings, and when we get halfway done, there's going to be a confidence that we're going to do the next building. So yeah, I think we're going to have a healthy, balanced market looking forward. A lot of the growth is going to be out in the West Shore or up in Sydney, but we need more land to be able to facilitate the growth.
So when I hear more land, I just hear the appropriate zoning to get us to where we need to be.
Appropriate zoning, appropriate planning, and appropriate locations for these businesses to actually service this population that's growing.
Yeah, definitely. Well, thanks a lot, Ty. That was terrific insight and just very good information on our local market. I'd also like to thank everybody for joining us today. If you require any additional information, please don't hesitate to reach out to myself or a Colliers professional. We're definitely here to help. You can also visit the Colliers Canada website, where you will find up-to-date market research, you will find additional videos, and information on other services we have here to offer. Thanks, and all the best.